YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Don1914 back with another review. So it's not a sneaker review. So as I promised, if you watch my previous videos, I said I got a pair of the Timberland NewEra collaboration baseball Tims. So right now we're going to be looking at the New York Yankee, and I do have the New York Mets. So we're going to do the New York Yankee first. We'll see. I may split them up because I do want to focus on one pair at a time, but I do have both pairs. So before we get started, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you in the fits and kicks, you in the right place. Sub up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I drop new videos. And all my OGs, welcome back to the channel. So I don't want to waste no clock. I'm doing a double upload today, and we're gonna get right into it. So let's go ahead and unbox this package. And I got my pair from DTLR Villa. And they sent both pairs in this big package. So let me go ahead and get the blade out and cut it up. And let's get right into it. We're not wasting no clock on these because I am interested to see what these look like in hand. I think the Yankee version of this pair of Tims sold out. I've seen a couple of sites that had the Mets still available. So, you know, if you want this pair after looking at the video, go ahead and search around. Still might be pairs out there available. I do know there are a lot of the other pairs available. They have like the Braves, let's see, the Mets, the Braves, the Dodgers. They had a few others like the Houston Astros, a couple other joints too as well. So let me see here. So I can't remember which one is which. So here's the problem, right? I haven't worn Tims since a youth, right? So this was my go-to. You know, back in the mid to late 90s, early 2000s is how we rocked Tim. We put on a hat, white tee. White tee is not as big as we used to wear it back then, but a extra large white tee, some jean shorts or jeans, and then your Tims. You know what I'm saying? If you had jean shorts, you wore long Nike socks, and you just rock your joints like that. So that's how I'm gonna rock it. If you wanna see more of like, you know, how I style these pair, again, go to my Instagram, Don1914, follow me there. And also YouTube Shorts is where I put most of the, you know, the footage of like, you know, how I style on the on foot, how they look. So yeah, we're gonna go from there. So let's see which one is which. I wanna do the Yankees first. So I feel like the Yankees was the 9.5. And the reason why I'm saying this is because you can see this pair, I got a size 10. And this pair, I got a size 9.5. Because I can't remember what I wore in Tims. It was so long ago. I knew Tims run big and I always sized down. So you know my true size is a 10.5. So we're gonna have to see which is which and see how they fit as well. Okay, so this one is definitely the Mets. So the size 10 is the Mets. So we're gonna save that and do that into another video right after this one. So let's get into this pair. So this is how it comes. You see it's a collaboration with the MLB, NewEra, and Timberland. Got your Timberland on this side. And it's a very sturdy box as well. Very sturdy, man. Well, it has to be. It got Tims in here. Heavy boot. That's the bottom. And then, of course, I just showed you the size of the tag, but I'll show it one more time. That's the size of the tag. So the size of the tag does read Timberland Heritage 9.5 men's. And then it has a couple of other different writings on here, different sizes. Yeah, 6-inch lace, waterproof boot. New buck. So these are the wheats. We used to definitely call them the wheats back in the day. So without further ado, let's get into it. We flip the lid. It has some writing right here on the inside of the lid, and that just tells you like the guaranteed waterproof since 1973. Just telling you about how the waterproof processing and things of that nature works. You do got the paper that has the MLB, NewEra, and Timberland signs, and then it does come with a divider, like the Jordan 5s do, and then there are the boots. I almost said they're the shoes, but they're the boots. Let's go ahead and grab the other one out. Ah, man, this is crazy. I haven't had a pair of Tims in a minute. So, go ahead and put the box, set this up over here. And yeah, let's go ahead and take a look. So, okay, so the right pair comes with the guaranteed waterproof Timberland metal hang tag, and it has NewEra on here as well. So on one side you can see It has waterproof information. And then on the other side, there's the NewEra on that side. And the right shoe does, both come with, okay, so on the right shoe and left shoe, it does come with extra spare of blue laces, which I think would make that thing pop. And I do love the spare laces because, let me see, do the regular laces have them as well? The spare laces have the winged, okay, yeah. So the tips of the laces are both like in gold. So you can see it probably pretty good right here. On the blue pair, you can see the lace tips are gold, so that's fire. That's a nice touch. Dang, Wheats, man, I haven't had a pair of these in so long, man. It's bringing back so many memories, man. So it shouldn't be a long review. It should be pretty short. I mean, it's a Timberland boot, so it's not too much to go over, not too many details. But let's go ahead and outsole, right? Classic Wheat Tim outsole. Again, extra spare of blue laces. You got the NewEra debossed inside of the side of the shoe, which I like that as fire. And then you have the Timberland sign, of course, on the bottom. But you can see right there, the NewEra is embossed right below that, the Timberland sign. That's fire. And here's the part that everyone loves, right? So it's two parts. So it's, you know what? The leather around the collar is pretty nice too. It's pretty plush as well. I will say that. So here's the part that everyone likes. So the collar around each of the shoes that they release has the team name on there. So as you can see, this one has the Yankees, and it's like popping out, it's like raised. And then it has the pinstripes on there, blue and white pinstripes. And the Yankee that's on here, yeah, it's stitched, but it's raised. So it's like, you know, you can see by the visual, but you can actually feel it. And it's like, it feels like it's good quality, good craftsmanship. Also, one of my favorite parts is you have a stitched New York Yankee symbol right there in the front on the top of the tongue. Dope. On the back of the outsole, right here on the heel, you have the NewEra sign. Hopefully that's coming in clear. Back it out a little bit, so hopefully you can see that. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but it's like ingrained into the back of the heel of the shoe. And guess what, man? That's pretty much it. Let me see what they came with as far as like the inside. So these came with shoe trees. So here's what the shoe tree should look like. It's got this little handle right here. Came with shoe trees, and let's see if the inside, yeah, so, okay. So the inside, you get a green insole, and it just has the Timberland sign, the MLB, and the NewEra sign, all like embossed into the actual sole. So that's what it looks like. Hopefully the camera's picking that up pretty good. It looks like it is. Cool. So, yeah, that's pretty much the review. That's pretty much it, man. We're not gonna hold you too long. We're gonna definitely throw these on feet so you can see what they look like on feet. And yeah, nothing different from the left shoe and the right shoe. Just the same things on the back. I think these are clean, man. Some people may not like them, but in my opinion, I think it's dope. I do like that they switch it up, man. Coming from a person that has worn Timbs, like, you know, as a youth, and, you know, had to get pair after pair after pair after every year because, you know, we was just rough on shoes and Timbs and boots in general. But I remember I used to get a new pair of Timbs for Christmas, every Christmas around the winter. And it was around basketball season. I just remember wearing my Timbs to the gym, waiting for JV to get done playing, and then varsity, we would go get changed into our basketball gear and our basketball shoes and then come out and play. But I just remember the whole team just having Timbs walking into the gym. So it's bringing back high school memories for sure. And summer, we used to rock them in the summer when we just, you know, a cool summer night. We just want to put on a pair of Timbs, a short white tee like I got on now, and just bringing back memories. Just nostalgia for me. I just like that they upgraded it and added a little touch on here. Just, you know, for me, I like it. Some people may think it's corny, but I like it. And these went crazy in New York. They sold out almost immediately. So that being said, we're gonna hop into the on foot. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. And to the next video, stay tuned. We're gonna review the Mets, and I'm out.
Hey yo, Don Juan, what up, bro? It's time. We gotta let these folk know you certified in this thing, man. Let them know you beneficial, and you know these haters ain't beneficial. Let me talk to them. Give and go. 3, 2, 1, repeat it. Yeah. 6-0. We undefeated. Yeah, you know. Shoe game. Done beat it. Done one. Haters can't even hate. You unneeded. Yeah, you done. 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 Julio and ball like Rubio. Godson armored up, shout out to the bros. Rockin' kicks like you the GOAT, but I got 2 of those. Give and go, 3, 2, 1, repeat it. 6-0, we undefeated. Shoe game, done beat it. Haters can't even hate, you unneeded. Yeah, you done. Make way for done one.